Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To girls and welcome Laka, and I'm back with another video. Please don't forget to support my small business, you guys. I'm gonna put my wigs here and also my items, my clothing items that I'm selling. Don't forget to support your girl. Anyway, you guys, I just wanted to show you like a quick makeup update. So I'm just gonna do my face real quick. I just did my hairstyle now, so I'm just like trying to lay it flat. So I'm gonna show you how I went from this face to this. If you like it, keep on watching and maybe you might learn a thing or two. If you have some tips, please also let me know. Let's go straight into the video. Disclaimer, guys, I am not a makeup artist. I also learned makeup here on these streets of YouTube, and I've perfected my makeup and I've gotten better really. Also guys, I don't use primer for my skin. I use a Vaseline only, and that's because my skin reacts to everything. So I try to avoid anything that has sort of like heat or something that will burn my skin, or products that I'm not really used to. I try to avoid that because I've got highly sensitive and dry skin. The concealer that I'm using over here is Revlon Color Stay Skin Awake, and it says that it is caffeine plus vitamins. It is number 060. The foundation that I'm using is by Lancome, and it says it is tint, and the number is 510N. I would highly suggest that if you're looking for a foundation, don't sort of like measure your foundation with my color skin. Go in store and ask the ladies that are in the makeup department to sort of like try different makeups with you and see your color skin, because I know with me I struggle with foundation and also the color. I have to mix my foundation to get my perfect skin shade. I know that I did that with the Revlon, but I think with the Lancome one it's sort of like better. I think I found my perfect shade, but because my face and my neck don't look the same, I'm not quite sure. I'm now moving on to concealer. So the first concealer that I'm using, the one that is close to my nose, that is 3 colors lighter than my foundation. The second one is 2 colors lighter than my foundation. I've already mentioned that the first concealer is by Revlon. The second one is LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it is Fawn. It's written GC983. I would also highly recommend that you go according to your foundation and not to what I'm using. Go according to your foundation, so go 2 times or 3 times lighter than your foundation instead of going according to what I'm using. Guys, blend. Don't forget to blend all these products so that your makeup is seamless and kind of works together. The contour that I'm using is by L'Oreal Paris. It's infallible. It says more than concealer, and it is written coffee 342. Guys, I really don't know according to what I choose this concealer. I just see sort of like if it's dark, I'll take it, just as long as it will sort of like match my makeup. I'm not sure how I sort of like measure this one. Blend guys, so that the makeup can work together. I'm going in with the brush that I was doing my concealer with, so that I sort of like make my nose a bit smaller. Then I'm going in with my cream blush. The cream blush, I got it, it's actually lipstick from Temu, so that's what I'm using, and I'm using the shade orange. Orange usually goes good on dark skinned girls, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm complementing my skin color and also going in with powder to powder all the spots where I put in the concealer. And I'm not baking, I'm just putting on powder. So I put on powder and then I remove the excess powder on the brush. If you're a beginner, please don't bake because it's just going to look cakey, especially because you don't know how to control the powder. So try not baking unless you know how to do your makeup, then definitely. The powder that I'm using is by LA Girl. It says Pro Powder and it is banana yellow. I forgot to mention, you guys, so the reason why we're using this powder is because we're bringing back your face back to life. We were using liquid products, but now we're moving on to powder. So now the powder product sort of like brings back your face to life. Even though I did not bake, I'm removing any excess powder that I might not see. So I'm just removing and making sure that there's no powder that is sticking out. Still in the spirit of bringing back your face to life, I'm now going in with powder contour. So on all the spots where I applied contour, I'm going in with the powder so that I bring back the face to life, because liquid has a tendency of making making your face like look super dry. So these powder products sort of like bring it back. So now I'm going in with the powder blush, but I'm using my eyeshadow, and I'm also going in with the same color, the orange one. I'm going in with my highlighter, you guys, to give my face a pop. I'm not going to use too much because I feel like I've already got blush, so I don't need too much. I'm going in with it on my nose as well, and blending. Please don't forget to blend, you guys, so that your makeup does not look cakey or anything like that. Blend so that it can work together and match. Now going in with mascara and also eyeliner and also my lashes as well. I don't think it really matters where you get those. I get my eyelashes from Shein, my eyebrow and my mascara, I think I got it from Chinatown, something like that. I really don't think that it matters. My eye glue, I got that from Mimikyu. I think that's the best in the game at the moment. I'm going in with highlighter on my eyes so that it gives my eyes a pop that it needs, or sort of like wakes my face up. Highlighter that I'm using is actually from my eyeshadow set. I'm now moving on to my eyebrows, and I'm using a soft and free gel, and I am lifting my eyebrows. I choose to do this step at the end because if there's any product on my eyebrows, I can sort of like remove it at this step, but if I would do it at the beginning, I wouldn't see all of that. Going in with my setting spray, you guys, to bring my face back to life properly so that you can see the pop and also the color. Doing my lip, and I'm going in with the brown lip liner. There's a step that I forgot to show you here, you guys. So the blush, the cream blush that I was using, I go in a bit with it on my lips so that it matches my blush, and then I go in with my clear lip gloss. I'm sure you can tell at this stage that my lips sort of look like my blush on my cheeks. They complement each other. This is the makeup, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of this simple makeup? Is this something that you would try? On the side, those are the bobs that I am selling, so please support my small business. Otherwise, you guys, this is my makeup look. Let me know, do you like it? Do you not like it? Is this something that you would try or not? Anyway, my love you loads. I'll definitely see you in my next upload. If you want a longer version of this, let me know in the comment section. Bye.
Oh, that's my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want